A tribute for my boss, my mentor, big brother, friend, Alexx Ekubo. I always call him Doc. That is Doctor. Chief Ekubo. He came now. I named my son after him because he was a great father to me. For years, I had the privilege working with you, learning, laughing with you, and sharing moments that I thought would last longer. You are not just my boss, you are my mentor, my big brother, my confidence, one of the most important people in my life. I keep wishing this is all a prank. I keep hoping that somehow you will call me on phone saying, Commando, where are you? Or Nna, or maybe. The way you always did. Doc, I opened your door as I always do, expecting you to step out. I stood hoping, waiting, praying that this wasn't real. But you didn't step out. So all day, I've been waiting at the door, and I've been calling Chief Ekubo. So the more close it's becoming, the more reality. Praying that this wasn't real, but this stepped out. And this moment, my heart broke in a way I never thought possible. You left me shattered. Your commando is shattered. I'll miss you. And I'll miss our midnight gist. I'll miss our endless conversation. I miss you. I miss our code. I have a boss that I can communicate with him and you will not know that he's talking to me. I understand when he's not happy, because whenever he's not happy, he calls me by my name, Miracle. And whenever my boss is happy, you hear him, Nna, they're good in office. Nna, Kedu. Nna, there is nothing in this world. Just let them be. From the A to the Z I have in my house as a property was from Alexx, the big brother. Sir, your commando is shattered. And I wish I can sleep, wake, and they will tell me that this is all a dream. I can't look at your pictures anymore. I can't watch your movies anymore. I can't think straight. Because this is unimaginable. You had a lot of plans for the year. My boss is this kind of person that if he's going out tomorrow, he will tell you, Nna, we are going out by 6 o'clock. The activity may be 8 o'clock at night, but for you to be on point, my boss will always say, Nna, get ready by 6, we are going out. He's such a good person that whenever you are in a bad mood, he will observe you. Nna, in the village, what is the problem? So he's always there for each and every one of us. He taught me how to respect people. He taught me how to live a life of integrity. He taught me how to live a life of accountability. He was always there for me. When I say always there for me, he was always there for me. He's a boss that I spend hours with in a room discussing, planning ahead. He trained me. You know, I wonder why a lot of people have been trying to see my face. And today I decided that since my boss is no more, why am I covering my face? There is no need. And I promise you that today, since Alexx is no more, this is my real face. Boss, I love you. I will always love you. I miss you. I will always miss you. You live in me. Everything about me is you. I'll keep loving you and keep resting till we meet again. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.